Marshall Energy is primarily a fluid delivery company. So when we opened up Marshall Energy, we saw that there was a need to do things a little bit different than how things had been done in the industry. My husband Derek saw that truck drivers weren't completing their routes safely, the work was taking longer to complete than what it should, and so working in logistics like he did, he saw there was a really big need in that area. So when we learned about IronSight and their background, and then trying to better that and their passion for that, we were like, okay, we really need to partner up with them. This is something we really need to look into. And so far, it's been absolutely wonderful. It's important to us that our dispatchers, our admin staff, our billing team have the best tools at their disposal.
As a supervisor, I can see the benefits of how it helps the drivers. They can get all of their information for the job, for directions, for contacts, everything's all in one spot.
IronSight has really facilitated our operation. It has made it easier to convey jobs to drivers, sending jobs to multiple drivers at the same time, giving clear directions, really relaying to the driver what they're going to be doing, and them having access to it, the palm of their hands.
IronSight helps me keep track of all the drivers out in the field by their coordinates that the dispatchers send them. I know exactly where they are all the time.
What I enjoy the most working with our clients and this specific team is that we focus a lot on safety. So you kind of know what you're going to do every day. You're not really just guessing if you can load up or not load up, and you can just know what time you're going to be home too. So it's kind of all already set in stone.
That's the benefit of having big customers jump on board with IronSight. They can see exactly what time the truck arrives at location, what time they leave location, exactly what time they go on to disposal, which is an integral part for them. That way they know that we're being productive. There's full transparency. They can see exactly where their money's being spent.
When I was a driver, it was multiple text messages, phone calls, emails, pin drops for directions. It was very hectic and time consuming for both me as a driver and for dispatch to get us to where we needed to go to complete the job. Now with IronSight, it's a lot easier for the drivers. Everything is in one place.
Compared to before IronSight, we would have to track down company men to get a signature. And now it's all on electronic, so it's just approved electronically and you don't have to chase down anybody to approve that work.
Everything is moving to a more digital era, so it only makes sense that we want to adapt to that as well. We want to be on the forefront of that. One
feature that I like with IronSight is that you can go through the history of past jobs that you've done before. So if you work with that company before, you can kind of search his name and you can kind of see how they like to work and where you want to dispose. It's all there on the app.
I would definitely recommend IronSight to any companies or business partners that we work with or that work in the industry because it has made our jobs a lot easier. It helps streamline the process.
I would say IronSight will facilitate the way the operation runs for any company in this type of business. It allows you to increase volumes, increase workloads because of how it facilitates for you to get the point across to drivers. You no longer have to spend time, creating group tags or sending emails. It's all on the same platform.
So from a financial standpoint, it only benefits us. We want to make sure that we're doing things and providing the best service to our customers that we can. And IronSight, just allows for us to do that.